Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to show you just a local updates for HBAR. Let's dive in. With my custom indicator set, we're going to identify the levels where more than okay accumulate and distribute the HBAR step by step. Global targets, guys. You remember? So if you watch all my videos, you know global charts looks like this one. So like you can see, it's a monthly time frame here. From the top, 27 block, bounce, 78, drop, 0 level, hold the line, right? And this is a Joule, straightforward to the test of yearly open. Yesterday, I was on a live stream, and showed a lot of examples. So some tokens already retest the yearly open because it's usually playing out like a magnet for support or for rejection, right? And 2682, it's a yearly open for HBAR, right? After that, I'm waiting the new all-time high for HBAR. It's around 65 cents, maybe 96. I don't think so. We're gonna hit $1 this cycle. So just in case, it's just my personal opinion. On the monthly time frame, guys, take a look. Here's a top in March 21, top on the price, but they weren't on a monthly. Here's a low distribution, here's a high and distribution. Now, I wish to see the continuation to the new all-time high. Maybe not straightforward to now to directly to the new all-time high like in June or in August. I don't know the timing. I believe we're gonna hit the new all-time high. Because now the altcoins, some altcoins will pump it. But BTC dominance still on the still over 64%. So time to out of alts will be when we will trade under 50%. So imagine. So a lot of altcoins still underrated. That's why if we go to the weekly time frame, we can find out over here. This is a top December, and I wish to see that divergence like this one. Let's mark it this color, and I wish to see the divergence on the weekly, and after that even on maybe even on the monthly, right? So here I wish to see something like this one on the chart drop. It's hard to say by timing, maybe by end of spring 2026, something like this one, and hit the top around 96 cents. A lot of people will scream we're going to the $5 to $10 and all of this absolutely nonsense stuff. So build a realistic price targets. A previous cycle, guys, this token since COVID dump made like 2,000% gains. So what's next now? Even on a weekly here, we form something like like double bottom, right? So definitely it can looks like double bottom, right? Test of yearly open will be we can say like left side, and the size of this double bottom should be around here, around this high, and we're gonna sweep it. When we break this high, the road will be open to test 45 cents and even higher. Of course, I'm not a fan of classic TA, all of these patterns. We can drop even like this one here. Of course, it's possible. Of course, in August, I'm waited some pullback, some correction. So we got a 2 weeks more, and imagine it's this candle and the next one. It's more than okay, to see the correction in August. But I think the new all-time high for HBAR can be this autumn, right? So why the HBAR should drop now to the buy line? I don't see any reason. So buy line now for HBAR, it's 8 cents 68. Once again, the test of 27 block. I don't think so. We're gonna test on this line at these levels. Also on the daily, we probably today, while maybe you already posted this video, you will see these targets. 23 cents 21. It's a take profit line. Lines start curve higher, right? So like you can see, they start curve up. Here was a good time for accumulation in June, by end of June, a test of the 0 level. And here's a distribution. We can start firstly from divergence on the daily, something like this one, and maybe even this one. right? People gonna draw the head and shoulder after that pattern with the test of zero level, but it doesn't work like this one. So daily here, 22, 23, 23, and 17. Exit line 26, 19, test of yearly open. So buy now or not, it's only up to you. I'm not a fan of HBAR. So here, for me personally, it looks like we get a limitation. So time to buy, HBAR was here at 4 cents. Now, yes, it's still got a potential for a new all-time high, but from this current prices, it can be like 300%. For me personally, it can go to, I don't know, $5 or higher. You know, I have no idea. My take, I just share my own idea. Nobody know the future. So that's the point. Take a look, guys, now with, so local. Here, this is the targets. Opened futures long, kind of risky, guys. 12 time frame, we already go through the take profit line. Here's will be the exit line 24 and the test of yearly open. That's it. Let me show you the global one targets updates. Here's a direction market mood. Here's was the accumulation. Now nothing. Here was a euphoria, drop, hope. This is a positive, right? So we go straight forward. We can add alert to the market mood. Again, euphoria on a weekly. It will be the signal. So step by step, we need to fix a profit. Take profit. We can hide it. Market mood on the daily. Here. Market mood on the daily. This is kind of euphoria. That's why I wish to see the test yearly open, maybe 26, correction maybe to 21, and go higher. Because now we start build the uptrend structure. This was a capitulation. Now, nothing. So this was the time to buy accumulated token. Now, nothing. And soon, I guess we'll see the signals to sell. So I recommend you use this set, to identify it before it's happening. And last indicators, guys, take trade on and money power. Weekly. Sell, money outflow. Drop, money inflow was in March at 13 cents. We crash it down, form the double bottom, was without any money inflow. Now we go straight forward to the top. And around here, we're going to see the signals to sell. I mean, signals to money outflow. Based on the weekly, it was sell, buy back on the weekly. Now no signals to sell. Here's a main signal on the daily was sell in May, drop, buy. Here we gotta take profit. And step by step, like you can see locally here, the money outflow. Money outflow means, here, 1, 2, 3. So the money outflow can be step by step while the whales fix a profit. Be ready. If you trade, if we talk about investments, you can wait at higher targets. If we talk about a local trade, and for example, you open position at 17, soon you need to fix some profit because the money outflow. So step by step, the whales fix the profit. So at the take profit line, at the exit line, at the test of yearly open, you need to close your futures position to not just miss your profit because we can dump it back and you just miss your unrealized profit. That's why if we talk about the trades, yes, step by step, the whales are going to fix the profit. Take a look how it played out previously so you understand the logic. Here's a money inflow, buy signal. Recommendation close position, money outflow, and another one pump, sell, money outflow, money inflow, pump, recommendation close position, tiny correction, pump, no signal to sell yet. That's why around here, I guess, we will see the signals to sell. It will be the local fixation of the profit. Global targets, if you bought on the spot and you also believe in new all-time high, you can hold till the new all-time high. So you not skip the potential pumps. So guys, all targets I showed you. I think HBAR XRP will pump first, I guess, to another all-time high. will be some hype. After that, the HBAR and algo will follow. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about HBAR. What is your top of the top target for this cycle? If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.